Okay, what I'm going to be doing is putting in some rear shackles today. I ordered these on eBay. They're like 35 bucks delivered, pretty cheap. I'll put a link down below. Oh yeah, these are nice, heavy duty. This should bring it up about 3 inches. Right now I got air shocks on there, but I want to take the air shocks off because I get a pretty stiff ride with them. So I figure if I put these on with normal shocks, I'll get a normal ride. Because right now the springs on there, it's a 23-year-old Explorer, and the springs are pretty weak. They're on the weak side, so this may make them last a little bit longer. Alright, so let's get on to putting them on. Okay, this is how she sits with no air in the air shocks. Let's get a side view. Okay, here's a side view. Okay, this is how I got it set up. I jacked it up right here underneath the trailer hitch, and I got jack stands underneath. Got one over there, and if you can see that one, I got one down there. Plus I got a jack underneath the axle here, so I'm pretty good to go here. The wheels are off the ground, and that's the way I got it set up, so I think this is pretty safe. Okay, let's take this shackle off right over here. We'll take this baby off. Okay, I sprayed them up, and I'll use a breaker bar arm. This is a 21 millimeter. Okay, so the top one. So they got paint on the threads. Okay. Got a regular ratchet. Yeah, there's one. Get the top one. I'm going to get some gloves for this because I'm going to wrap my hand somewhere I know it. Okay, I got my nice Dollar Tree gloves on. These are pretty good, nice gloves for $1. I tend to forget to put them on. Okay, there's the other one. Now that came off too easy. There's something wrong, and the other side's probably going to be a hassle. We'll see. This is going to be hard to get on.
Okay, I want to stop the video right here for a couple seconds. I forgot to put anti-seize on the lower shackle bolts. I was pressed for time when making this video and it slipped my mind. So after editing the video, I seen my mistake and went back and took the lower bolts out and put anti-seize on them. It's not critical, but makes it easier to take them off if you need to in the future. Okay, back to the video.
Okay, let's put this one on. Okay, all I want to do is snug these up until I get it on the ground and then tighten them all the way. I'm going to check if there's some kind of torque on them too. Okay, that's good enough, and then tighten them all the way when I get it on the ground. Oh, let's do the other side. Oh, it's on there. I sprayed them up with WD-40. You know what I did? I painted these a while back. Let's go on this one. Okay, I'll try a regular ratchet. Let me get a little hammer. There. Okay. That was a little tough. Okay. Okay, now the new one. Going this way instead. Huh. Looks like it goes right in. Let the jack down. Nice, right in there. Okay, just tighten those up. Yeah, just gonna snug these up. They're supposed to be torqued between 75 and 115, but I'm gonna torque them down about 85. But that's once it's on the ground. So now I just snug them up. Get this top one. Okay, and I'll tighten them down once it's sitting on the ground. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, I set her down and now I torque these down. Alright, that's good. That one. Okay. Alright, now the other side. Okay. And top one. Okay, that's it. That's done. Let's see what she looks like. Okay, here's the after. She's actually sitting about an inch higher. There she is from the back. There she is from the side. I'm going to take her for a ride and see if she handles the bumps better.
Here's some before and after pictures.
Hey, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Thanks for watching. Take care. Remember, keep on wrenching.